Their houses were being demolished without following the due procedure of law. And we held that the houses are not housed by only the accused and the inmates of the family who reside in the house. They also are made to suffer for no fault of theirs. And even if a person is convicted, still he is entitled to the rule of law. And the rule of law that is paramount in our country. And I'm happy that we could lay down the guidelines. We could prohibit the executive not to become a judge, because under the scheme of our constitution, our constitution recognizes the separation of powers of the executive, the judiciary, and the legislature. And if the executive itself is permitted to be a judge, then we'll be hitting at the very concept of the separation of power. I'm really happy that we could do something as a custodian of the Constitution for protecting the rights of the citizens whose houses were being demolished without following any procedure prescribed by law. The earlier speakers have also spoken about my judgment on sub-classification and providing the requirement of creamy layer for the scheduled caste. I have been widely criticized for the said judgment from the people belonging to my own community. But I always believed that I have to write my judgment not by the demands of the people or desires of the people, but as the law, as I understand, and as per my own conscience. Justice Rivelo has certain criticism about though he agrees on my view on sub-classification, he has reservations about my views on the providing creamy layer to the scheduled caste. The reason that weighed with me was, I have seen that from a first generation, a person becomes IS from a reserved category. In the second generation, again his son becomes an IS, again from the reserved category. And again, in the third generation, a person becomes an IS from the same category. The question as I put to myself was that a son or daughter of a person who gets education in the best of the schools in Mumbai or in Delhi, can he be equated with a son or a daughter of a mason or an agriculture laborer residing in a village?
ABP माझा, उघडा डोळे, बघा नीट.